Have you heard about Koso? If not, we are about to find out why it's one of the hottest topics in tech right now. Imagine building an AI startup that catches the attention of one of the biggest names in technology. That's exactly why everyone is talking about Koso today. So a quick disclaimer, at the time of recording, this story is based on reports circulating in the tech industry. So what exactly is Koso? Koso is an AI-powered code editor designed to help developers write code faster and more efficiently. Instead of writing every line of code from scratch, you can describe what you want in plain English, and Cursor helps generate the code for you. Think of it as having an intelligent coding assistant sitting right beside you. Cursor has quickly become one of the most popular AI tools among developers. It helps with writing code, fixing bugs, explaining complex code, and even suggesting improvements. As more developers embrace AI in their daily work, tools like Cursor are becoming an important part of modern software development. Recently, reports have suggested that Elon Musk's AI company is interested in acquiring Cursor in a deal valued at around $60 billion. While the details are still unfolding, the story has generated huge attention across the tech world. Whether the deal moves forward or not, it highlights how valuable AI developer tools have become. Just a few years ago, developers spent hours writing every line of code manually. Today, AI tools can help generate code, explain errors, and speed up the development process. That doesn't mean AI is replacing developers. Instead, it's becoming a powerful tool that helps developers work smarter and faster. Whether you are just starting with HTML or already building software, this story teaches us something important. The future of programming isn't just about knowing how to code, it's also about learning how to work with AI tools that can make you more productive. The developers who adopt to these changes will likely have an advantage in the years ahead. So, what do you think? Would you use an AI tool like Cursor to help you write code? Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. And if you enjoy beginner friendly tech content like this, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to Tech in 2 Minutes, and I will see you in the next one.